what's up guys? viperfpv here, and today we have another quad box unboxing. This is for the October 2019 quad box. I have not opened it up yet, so let's go ahead and check out exactly what we got in this month's box. Alrighty. So, right off the bat, looks like we got some nice stickers here. Stay puffed, LiPo battery since 3.7 volts. Little Frankenstein guy wearing some DJI goggles. Cool. Looks like we got 3 sets of Ethics S4 Lemon Lime props. Cool. Looks like we also got 2 sets of Grip battery pads. I think I got these in the FPV crate last month. But you can always, these things are great to have to keep the battery staying on your quad so you don't eject it. So I do like these. Can never have enough of that. Let's go ahead and check out what this is here. Oh, quad box. Oh. It's a FPV watch. So you can go ahead and, I guess, have somebody watch you, or you can put it on your radio. We'll see a lot of people doing that. Let's see. Does it turn on? Or does it need to be charged? No, it turns on. It works. Cool. I actually have one of these already. Not sure how many channels this is or not. Not sure. Has a little USB charger. Comes with a USB too. Cool. Cool stuff. So let's check out the box here. I mean the t-shirt. Another white shirt though. I'm not happy about that. They also have black. They use black and white a lot. I like the color like red, blue. But this is what this one is. It says Stay Puff. LiPo battery since 3.7 volts. Alright. Don't love it. Don't hate it, but not my favorite shirt, I'll tell you that. But yeah, so that should do it for this month's box for the month of October 2019. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do quad box, drone drop, and FPV crate unboxings every month, along with tutorials and tons of reviews on different components and quads and all that stuff. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.